Hi, this is Pranav Goa Thakurta from Edu TV. Today we are in a very different program in our podcast, Education on Wheels, an Edu TV podcast where principals are driving ideas and steering the futures. Today we have Mrs. Rachna Pant, the Mrs. Rachna Pant, Director, Ramjas International School. We are at her residence in Gurgaon. She has been steering the futures since many decades. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pranav. I must first of all compliment you as well as EduTV for coming up with such an innovative way of actually conveying things to the parents rather, because future lies not just in being inside the classroom and giving education, it is all around. And you have shown it through, as they say, wheels on the wheels. We are on the move and we are learning as we go. So beautiful initiative, very creative, very innovative, and compliments to EduTV, compliments to you, Pranav. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
The fact that education leaders of today like Mrs. Rachna are so open-minded and they have actually accepted and they know what is going to come in the future and what's going to be beneficial for Gen Alpha and then the coming generations, that's really tremendous. It was a very good insightful discussion conversation that we are having on the wheels with Mrs. Rachna. It's something very innovative that EduTV has come out with, and we are also enjoying it because it's our first time as well. Ma'am, would you like to say something about the Education on Wheels setup?
It is a beautiful concept, education on wheels. What does it actually signify? Not just that we are actually making use of the time which we spend while sort of commuting from one place to another. It shows that education is always on the wheels. Education is always on the move. Education is always going forward. Right? So this is what, in a way, this podcast is trying to tell us this thing. So I just simply loved it because yes, we are moving forward. There will be breaks. While you are on the move, there will be breaks sometimes. You will have to detour a little bit. But at the same time, you will still not stop. You will try and reach your destination. That is what Education on Wheels says, and that is what we are trying to do. Similarly, as she was talking about the skill sets and art integration, there will be blocks, there will be hurdles, there will be problems, but as I always say, I am a slow walker, but I never walk backwards. So that's how it is.
That was very inspirational as an ending note. That was brilliant to come from an education leader, of course, and the beautiful way of how you related education on wheels with two things. One, of course, the whole commute perspective, commute angle to it, and second, how education as a so it was really brilliant how ma'am beautifully related two aspects of education on wheels. One was the whole commute angle to it, and the other one how education is moving ahead in terms of how it's advancing, how there are upgradations, advancements, enhancements, everything, and how we should adapt to it and we should use it to the best in order to bring out the best in our children. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, EduTV. With that, we sign off. Thank you.